Hey everyone, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Netflix on Windows 10. Open Start, type Apps and Features, click it. Now type Netflix, select it, click Advanced Options. Hit Terminate, then click Reset. Now try opening Netflix again. If that didn't work, search for Windows Store App Troubleshooter. Click Next. If Netflix is listed, select it and wait for the process to finish. Then open Start, type %10%, open the folder, press Ctrl plus A and delete everything. Finally, go to the store, reinstall Netflix, and it should work. This was Whaler. See you later.